July is Disability Pride Month. ARC Minnesota has been hosting a number of discussions and events promoting inclusion and support for those with disabilities. And this Saturday, the organization says it will be capping things off with a celebration to commemorate 35 years of the Americans with Disabilities Act in Rochester. KIMT News 3's Evan Berg is joining us live to give us a preview, Evan, here of what we could expect ahead of this weekend.
Just as you can see behind me, we already have the main tent set up here in the parking lot of Boundless. And this Saturday, we're going to have 20 more with vendors selling everything from hot dogs to snow cones to crafts made by local disabled artists. I spoke with the organizers from ARC Minnesota about just what they were planning heading into this event, and they say Saturday's festivities are meant to be a celebration of Southeast Minnesota's disabled community and show that a disability doesn't have to be something to feel bad about. This month, the group has been hosting a series of panels with the Rochester community talking about how the area has become more inclusive thanks to the help of organizations like the Cross Disability Focus Group. They feel there's still room for improvement when it comes to accessibility, such as making paratransit more efficient for working users, but we've come a long way.
Rochester is really trying to listen, and I really appreciate the work that they've done to try to hear what is necessary, what needs to be fixed, how challenging it is if you have a disability to actually access community.
I think many of the stigmas have been removed.
The Americans with Disabilities Act is meant to provide equal opportunity for people in the workforce and in public spaces like parks and playgrounds. And in the decades since it was initially passed, there have been constant additions to make sure people have equal access in a variety of public spaces and on the web. Live in Rochester, Evan Berg, KIMT News 3.
All right, thank you so much, Evan. Zips Paratransit is also planning to provide bus rides to the event between 4 and 8 p.m. The service is available for anyone who has a disability. You will need to make a reservation at least a day in advance.